We might need a net, dog.
Yeah, I know. I'll get him up here to make. Y'all, good afternoon and welcome to this episode of the Rockin' Family Outdoors. On today's episode, me and my son JJ, he finally got a day off work. So we come down here to the river. We're gonna see if we can catch a big old kitty cat. So y'all stay tuned. River. Finally, all right, take it. Nice easy, no jerk. Finally, y'all, we got one. Tip up. Feels like a good one too, good. Finally. Oh, yeah, good. Oh, let me get. Ah, there we go. Finally, cuz. Yeah, we've been out here for about 2 hours, and this is the first bite we got. Good deal. That's a good fish, bro. You're gonna take the hook out of him while you got him on the ground. Roll it. Put your 2 fingers in the hoop and roll it. You go. I ain't got no grippers today. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right, hold him one hand right there and one hand under the belly. Hey, y'all. That's not a bad blue cat, bro.
It's not a bad one.
Have you ever caught a blue cat?
Yeah.
A blue cat, bro? Okay. Wow. I mean, that's probably 5-6 pounder right there.
Yeah.
That's awesome, man. Well, maybe they're just getting turned on.
Maybe.
Yeah. I mean, we've been out here for a couple hours. I thought I seen something twitching on it. But yeah. So that's awesome, man. All right, let's put him back in the water. Let me get a good. Look at him go. Hey, you know my saying in my videos? What do I say? You don't know? My own son don't know what I say in my videos. That's sad. We didn't get y'all. We didn't get skunk. All right, let's get another bait out there, see if we can get us another. Still jiggling. The good thing about this time of year is really you ain't gotta worry about too many turtle bites. It's not had enough cold snaps and stuff that the turtles are not active, very active. Well, y'all, different day, part 2. Today, JJ went to go spend the day with his mama and I. Me and old Chandler over there. We're gonna try to get us a big old kitty. So we caught that one good one yesterday, and then I ain't gonna lie, it got pretty windy and chilly out here, and JJ's he wasn't equipped with the right kind of clothes, so we got out of here, but we're back out here today. Let's see if we can add to our total father-son fishing weekend. Come on. All right, I didn't tell you yesterday, but for bait, we're using mullet that I got from the Asian market. Y'all, mullet's a good substitute for a lot of fish. I really just ain't had time to bait fish, so, you know, doing the best with what we got right now. That is nasty, son. That is a bait cooler. But that's what we were using yesterday too. Just frozen mullet. You know, if you ain't got time, or you can stop by the Asian market and get you plenty of bait options. I wouldn't say as good as fresh, but you know, hey, it'll work in a pinch. So that's what we're doing today. Tighten the drag. Tighten the drag. Reel, just reel. Don't pull, just reel. Hold up, I'll fix it. Just reel, nice and easy, get them in easy. So, let's tip up.
We might need a net, dog.
Yeah, I know. Get them up here to the bank. Okay. All right, hold them right there. I'll go get the net.
All right, bet. Look at that. It looks like a little, either a blue cat or a channel cat. He ain't too big. He's probably easy 8-10 pounds. Dad, does this look like the one y'all caught yesterday?
Oh, it might be a little bit bigger. Get him off that.
Oh, yeah.
All right, bro. How you doing, boss? Doing good. Yeah, that's a big one, Chandler. Y'all, look at that thing. Look at that thing.
That thing's pretty big.
That's awesome, man. Look at
Alright, we're throwing them back.
Yeah, we're gonna put them back. We ain't gonna eat them. Hey, hold on a second. Let me get one more good look. Hey, you got your phone?
No, yeah, it's in my pocket.
Hold on, get a little peeky pick. Cool. Alright, ease them back down in there. Ease them down. Be careful. Look at that. Majestic.
Oh, yeah.
All right, Chandler. Now, yesterday, JJ didn't know what to say. What do we say when we catch the first fish?
We to go kitty cat meow? I don't know. What do you say?
We what? Huh. You've been in my videos before.
We'll
didn't.
See you on the.
We didn't get.
We didn't get a big enough one.
Skunked.
We didn't get skunked.
I'm whooping all my kids. They ain't too old not to get a whooping, y'all. All right, let's put the bait on, see if we can get us another one. But Dad, they were throwing a frisbee. Y'all, so we're out here fishing. They actually have a frisbee golf course. And Sadie, they threw that frisbee and Sadie took off running.
She made it all the way to the frisbee too.
So I couldn't even see her running. All I did was I heard the gone. Poor Sadie, tied up because she chased the frisbee. Sadie.
She wants to go do it again.
she's watching them throw the frisbee. She's like, this is not cool. This gotta be torture for a dog. Remember, set the drag. Set the hook. Tip up. Turn the camera on. There we go. Oh, nice. What I'm talking about.
Oh, come on.
Let come off. That's why you gotta keep that tip up.
He was right there at us, dude.
It's all right. Put another bait on there. Well, guys, that's all I got for you today. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. You know, 2 afternoons of just coming out to the local park. I mean, y'all, we are literally in the park, and caught a couple good fish. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Do me a favor and
Like and subscribe.
we'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.